Hi guys, it's Jen and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing my Sephora VIB haul. I wasn't really planning on making this video or doing a video on this, but I dropped about $80, almost $90, and I figured I dropped that much money, I might as well make a video about it. So I've got my goodies here in the bag and I'm going to show them to you. It's not a lot of stuff because man, Sephora, it can add up quick. But I feel like I got some things that I normally wouldn't get. Let's just jump into this. So first, I'm gonna go over my samples that I got because whenever you go to Sephora, you always want to get samples. And everybody is always talking about the Drunk Elephant Virgin Mercury, I can't even say it, oil. So I got a sample of that because everybody talks about it so much and I was like, I really want to try it, and I just cannot shell out that much money for Drunk Elephant, and it's just like, it's so expensive and that's just not in my budget to pay for one product. So I figure I'll get a sample of it and try it and see what I'm missing. The next thing I got was the Smashbox Primerizer, so the moisturizing primer. I figured I would try this. I've heard a lot of people talk about it and I just wanted to get a sample of it. And then the last thing that I got, this is another primer that I've heard everybody talk about, and I'm probably going to regret not picking this one up. This is the Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer. So I got a sample of that as well. I just really wanted to try those out. All of those I've heard everybody talk about for so long, and I was just like, I really want to try them, and I'm trying them. The next thing I got was the, I'm not going to butcher this name, but if you guys have been on Instagram, you know this product is all over the place. This is the Unicorn Drops. I got this in the, I think this is the sample size because from what I've heard, this is like in the $60 mark, and I paid $20 only for this. And it's pretty small, but I mean, this is supposed to be a serum, so I figured it's not like I'm going to be using a ton of it, and this way I can actually kind of like try it and buy it and see if I really like it, because everybody else likes it so much, so why not just give it a try. 20 bucks is not that much to try something, and if I don't like it, I can always still return it, but I'm sure I'll like it. The next thing I bought was this little guy right here from Hyouta Beauty, and like I said, this is a little guy. It's a little guy. Like next to my cheek, it's about the size of my cheek. He's little. And this is in the Mauve Obsessions by Hyouta Beauty. I haven't tried anything of hers, and I figured I would give this a go to try out her eyeshadows because I know a lot of people like them, a lot of people didn't like them, and I figured $27 to try these, which is a lot better deal than what I paid for the Visearts shadows that I bought last year during the spring VIB sale or fall. I cannot remember which one I bought it at because I never actually talked about it on my channel, because I think I literally bought like 2 things. But yeah, I bought that last year and it's expensive, especially for the size. These shadows are a lot bigger than those, and you do get a mirror, and I actually like the packaging. I think it's really cute and nice, and I think this would be something that I could travel with. I just have to test out the quality of the eyeshadows and see if I actually like them. The next thing I got was the big ticket item, the thing that cost the most, and that was the value set. I love value sets, and this is definitely a value in a set. You get a full-size mascara from Too Faced. This is their Better Sex mascara, Better Than Sex mascara, whatever you want to call it. And then you get a full-size mattifying powder. This is their peach powder. I've heard a lot of great things about that, and it is actually full size. So for the mascara, that's $23, I'm pretty sure, and I think for the actual powder, it is $32 for the full size. And then I've got 2 deluxe samples of these 2 products right here, and these both are $15 each. So this value is like $85. I think that's what it said, and it retails for $45. So you get all of this for 45 bucks and 2 full-size products. I'm not the biggest fan of the Too Faced mascara, the Better Than Sex mascara. I will give it another go because the last time I tried it, it was a sample and that was a few years ago. But this has the Cooling Matte Primer, which I heard great things about. And then it also has the Mattifying Mist. I haven't really heard that many things about the Mattifying Mist, but the primer itself I have heard great things about. And the powder I've heard awesome things about, and a friend of mine has it and she loves it. So I figured I would give this a go because why not? And for $45 you can't really beat the price, especially. And that is the end of my video. That is literally everything I picked up from the VIB sale. It was definitely a hefty little price tag on there for all of this, and it only being 3 items. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment down below of what you picked up at the VIB sale or what you think I actually should have got at the VIB sale. And until next time, bye guys.